It is replacing areas we've had to use caustic chemicals, or in some instances sandblasting. Basically that's what it's replacing, and it is opening up areas that we can clean with equipment that had to be done by hand previously. I have cleaned the inside of digesters, doing them wet. I've done dryer can heads on the inside and the outside for mag particle testing. That was done at a very low pressure, and it was just worked really good. It was we worked at 30 pounds. We're only using about 30 pounds an hour of the Armex system, so it was economical, and it was the only way to do it.
Approximately 1 year ago, we were sending our analoxes out to be cleaned by another company, a very expensive process using chemicals that are not friendly to the environment, causing us to have analoxes out of our shop for up to 3 weeks at a time. At CCL Label, we are very pleased with our Armex media and bioblast system. We intend on using it as a vital part of our analox maintenance program. This system has saved us money because we have less downtime on the presses, we have less downtime in the cleaning of the analox rolls, we deliver a clean, consistent analox roll to the press for repeatability, we save ink. We intend on using it as a vital part of our analox maintenance program.
I'm Major Ted White. I work for the Texas Army National Guard in Saginaw, Texas at the Combined Support Maintenance Shop number 1. We provide direct support, general support, and depot level repairs on a limited basis for the National Guard Bureau. One of the distinct advantages of using the Armex cleaning and decoding system is that the impact on the environment and the cost of disposal is minimized. So it's as effective as any other system that we've ever used.
Well, this Armex system that I tried today is exceptionally a nice system. The conventional way that we used to do our ports, we would have to use scrapers and old hot seat, and it would take us roughly 4 to 8 hours to do a set of ports. With the Armex system, I'm finding that it takes about 5 to 6 minutes to do a ports, and it does a very clean job of knocking off the carbon. A very good system. I recommend it.
I'm David Domagala. I work for United Illuminating Company in Bridgeport, Connecticut. I'm project engineer, or one of our maintenance engineers at the plant. People look at the stack and say, big deal, you're going to clean and paint the stack. It's been pretty well a full-time project. Started off about 3 months ago when we started entertaining alternatives or projects that would encompass what we want to do on this job. And we started off with the usual sandblasting, which did not work at all. That would cause the paint to come off the stack. The paint on the stack is not in bad shape, and I did not want to lose the primer surface on the stack. Chemicals, due to environmental reasons, were not safe, and it was hard to contain, and worker safety played a part in their rejection. We were told about the Armex blast media and the AccuShip system, and about 2 months ago we did a test on the elevation 250 feet of the stack, and that test proved that we could both have very few environmental concerns, and the worker safety was very high, and it did remove the dirt and the weathering of the paint without destroying the paint surface, so the application of the new paint would be very cost effective.
We don't destroy the rock or, pollute the air, or, there's fish in the lake there. We don't contaminate nothing. Everything's safe and biodegradable, and it's environmentally safe, and that's the best thing about it.